Hello guys, this is Steno for All YouTube channel. Here we provide you Hindi or English shorthand dictations at different speed. Today I am going to provide you English dictation at the speed of 80 which will help you in various Steno skill tests. So get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Start. At a time when sorrows come not as single spies but in battalions with an unprecedented pandemic, Chinese soldiers squatting on India's side of the line of actual control LAC, cartographic aggression by Little Nepal, Iran joining a virtual alliance with China, Russia getting close to China, Pakistan shooting across the line of control LOC, a looming financial crisis, and other challenges. Fundamental questions are being asked about the strategic depth of our foreign policy. Fervent calls are being made to go back to the drawing board and shape new policies in these and other cases. It goes without saying that the government will examine all these and other international developments and apply correctives wherever possible. Since the global situation itself is in a flux, there will be many surprises on the way, and our own positions will also influence the shape of the post COVID-19 world. Many in India have been taken by surprise at these developments because of the numerous fairy tales which surround international issues, a number of them having been created for the feel good factor. The understanding of every issue is at three different levels. One is the real situation, which is known only to those at the higher levels and the interlocutors in the government. The second is the official version properly calibrated for the guidance of spokespersons of the government, while the third is a more rosy picture for the general public who should feel comfortable that the government that they have elected is doing well. The fairy tales are created by the official and friendly press and commentators and are lapped up by public opinion with a sense that all is well with the world. The dream world gets disturbed occasionally when the reality pierces through the carefully created layers of positive impressions, and the surprise turns into concern and even panic. Firefighting follows to reset relations and to bring back a sense of comfort and normalcy. The fundamental issues remain dormant, but a few high level conversations, some business deals, and carefully crafted joint statements take care of concerns which disappear as public memory is proverbially short. This is a game that all governments play, not only in India but around the world. Dealing with China, the most recent example of a relationship clouded by fairy tales is the one with China. With all the investments made by the Prime Minister and our large galaxy of China experts, we had no inkling of the Chinese perfidy as we had romanticized the Wuhan spirit and the Chennai Connect in Mamallapuram, Tamil Nadu. The Prime Minister, who alone knew what transpired at these informal summits, said nothing, but his body language and enthusiasm lulled us into thinking that these leaders would never fight a war. It came as a complete surprise that the Chinese amassed troops on the LAC and the Prime Minister